As I begin, I thank former President Bongbong Marcos and former Vice President Sara Duterte for their service to our country. My beloved fellow Filipinos and honorable leader, I'm honored and humbled to stand here. Where so many of Philippines leaders have come before me, and so many will follow. From this day forward, I stand with you. I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude, a mind focused on challenges ahead, and a spirit determined to serve our country with all my strength. I'm deeply honored to take this oath. As your newly elected president, I humbly accept the responsibility entrusted to me by the people of the Philippines. This is not just my victory. This is our victory. It's a triumph of democracy, a testament to the power of your voice, and a reflection of our shared hope for a brighter future. We have come together as one nation, bound by our love for our country and unwavering belief that we deserve a better tomorrow. Our journey ahead will not be easy. We face our challenges in our economy, our education system, our healthcare, and in ensuring the unity across all regions of great nation. But let me be clear, we will not falter and we will not fail. Today, we affirm a new commitment to lead out our country promise through growth, through courage, compassion, and character. I pledge to our nation a goal of economic growth. It will be a top priority. We will create jobs, support business, and ensure that progress reaches every Filipino, whether it's city or the provinces. A strong economy means a strong nation, and together we will lay the foundation for a more prosperous Philippines. I believe in the saying that education is the key to our future. So, I swear to all of you, we will invest in school, empower our teachers, and ensure that every Filipino children has a quality education. No dream should be limited by poverty. Every young mind deserves the chance to shape their own destiny. Healthcare must be a right, not a privilege. We will not strengthen our healthcare system, making a quality medical service and affordable for all. No Filipino should ever have to choose between feeding their families and receiving medical care. And above all, we will stand united, no division, no political differences, no regional boundaries should ever come before our shared identity as Filipinos. We are stronger together, and together we build a nation that is just, inclusive, and progressive. To every Filipino, whether here or abroad, rich or poor, young and old, this is your government. I'm your president. I will serve each and every one of you. Honesty, dedication, and unwavering commitment to the people that today mark the beginning of new era. 1 year hope replace fear, where unity replaces division, and where progress is felt by all. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Mabuhay ang sambayang Pilipino. Thank you and God bless the Philippines.